Chapter 8. How to Make a Habit Irresistible. In this chapter, James Clear dives into the psychology behind why some habits feel harder to build than others, and how to flip the script by making them more attractive. The core idea here is that we are more likely to repeat behaviors that feel rewarding or pleasurable. It's not just the behavior itself that draws us in, but the anticipation of the reward. This is where dopamine plays a major role, not when we receive the reward, but in the build-up to it. Clear explains that desire drives behavior, and habits become more enticing when we associate them with positive feelings or outcomes. He introduces a strategy called temptation bundling, which involves pairing an action you want to do, like watching your favorite show, with one you need to do, like exercising. For example, you might decide to only listen to your favorite podcast while going for a walk. This pairing makes the less desirable habit more appealing by connecting it with immediate gratification. He also explores how social environments shape our perception of what's attractive. We naturally imitate the habits of three groups: the close, family and friends; the many, what's popular; and the powerful, those we admire. This means that surrounding yourself with people who already have the habits you want to adopt increases your chances of success. When a habit is seen as normal or desirable in your group, it feels easier to embrace. Clear emphasizes that instead of trying to force habits, we should engineer desire. If a habit feels like a chore, it will be hard to sustain. But if it's tied to something enjoyable or admired, we'll feel pulled toward it rather than pushed. Making habits more attractive increases the odds we'll stick with them, because we'll actually want to. The key lesson of this chapter is that habits don't just depend on discipline or structure, they also need emotional appeal. By linking good habits with enjoyable experiences or aligning them with social identity, we turn them into behaviors we look forward to rather than resist. The more irresistible the habit feels, the easier it is to repeat, and repetition is the root of transformation.